adults who are currently enrolled in college, the library has an online platform to prepare for academic success. The Learning Express Library provides comprehensive test preparation and skill improvement. The library's Learning Center offers practice tests, ebooks, and tutorials for a wide variety of subjects, including calculus, trigonometry, statistics, public speaking, chemistry, biology, and more. There are also CLEP exam preparation, as well as graduate school admission exam prep. My name is Erin, and I'm going to show you how you can access the Learning Express Library. We're going to start here at our website, which is www.warrenlib.org, and we're going to click on Research A to Z Databases. We can scroll down in alphabetical order through our databases, and we're going to select the Learning Express Library, and you can see that we can log in from home, log in from the library, or access on a mobile device. We're going to log in from home. Once we're in, we can either sign in and or register. Once we're in to sign in and register, we're going to enter in our username and password and log in if you've previously used this before. If not, you're going to register as a new user. You're going to log in with your library card number, and it'll link you immediately with our library, Warren County Library. And you're going to put your first name, your last name, your email, and a password that you will remember, and you're going to register. And again, if you've already logged in, you can log in. Once we've logged in, we can see that we're at My Center, and it shows all of your information stored here for any work that you've completed, as long as you've hit save. We can go to our homepage, and we can click on College Students, and you can see it brings up all the different options for you. We're going to click on the math, and you can see that there's some practice tests, some ebooks, and tutorials available for you. If I were to click on any of these practice sets, it's a practice test, and you can go through it. It brings up how to take this test, and it gives you two different modes to take your test. And then you can start your test, and you can answer the questions, you can jump to a question, and you can always finish later or score my test. If I were to save and finish later, I will see that all of my information is stored in My Center, and you can see my tests are in progress, and you can always go back to it. If I go back to the math section, I can click on an ebook, and it'll give me different options, and I can download an ebook. And it'll pull up the PDF for you to download. Once you've downloaded your ebook, you can see that this one happens to be 287 pages, and you can read through. Once you've downloaded an ebook, you can again go to My Center, and you can see that the ebook is available here again for you. If we go back through the math skills and we scroll down, we can see the different options. We have the reading comprehension, vocabulary and spelling. There's grammar, writing, and a public speaking section. Some chemistry and biology. We have preparing for the CLEP exams. And additionally, we have the preparing for graduate school admissions. If we click on GRE practice test, it'll pull up the test. You can start one. Again, you can choose a different test mode. I'm going to choose simulation. And this is where it will time you. You can finish later, and again, it will save, and it will be back in My Center where all of your information is stored. For college students who are interested in perhaps finding something they'd be interested in doing for their career, we do have a career match option. And here you can take a little test. It's an interest matcher and a skills matcher. When you pull up the interest matcher, it asks you to answer questions with your likes and dislikes. And you fill it out the best to your knowledge, and you just fill it out completely, and then you submit your answers. And it brings you with what your matcher is, your current preparation level, and you can click on View Matches. This will bring you to different types of occupations. There's secondary occupations as well. And if you click on any of them, you can see that it brings you to a new screen. And here it gives you more information. It has a short video, wages and trends. Looks like this job is on the rise, knowledge and skills, education, what kind of education do you require, and you can even look for jobs. And again, you can save the job. Go back to the My Center, and if you scroll down under Career Dashboard, you can see that your occupation matches have been saved, and you can go back to the Skill Matcher and take that test as well. For college students who still want to learn a little bit more about a career, we have a Career Preparation tab, and here you can learn more about a career, and then there's other different occupations that you can examine more and see what you would need to do to prepare for some of them. Some of these require further testing, and it has the different practice tests available for these different occupations. For college students who have decided that they would need to continue their education, we also have a Discover Schools and Scholarship section. This you can actually take a scholarship finder or school finder to find the places you'd like to go to graduate school or for a different college for a different major that you've decided to choose. In a scholarship finder, you can choose your academic year. If you're a college junior, and your SAT score you can fill in, and you can decide what type of award you want to look for. If I want to look for a scholarship or a grant, fellowship, and other options are available here. I can hit search, and it brings up over 9,000 scholarships. And again, you can save them, delete them, and you can look them up specifically as well. And you can find all the details, and you can save, print, or download. If I go to the school finder, I can open up this. I'll look for graduate schools. I can do a quick match. And I can select up to 5 areas of study. If I choose 2 universities, I can compare them. And I can see the difference between the two. And I can save my comparison. I go back to my school match list. And again, I can download, print, and you can delete and save certain schools if you ruled them out or kept them. I can go back to My Center. I can scroll down and I can see that the School Finder dashboard is here with my saved school comparisons. Thank you for watching this tutorial about the Learning Express Library through the Warren County Library. We wish you all the luck in your academic success.